Hey guys, it's Alicia and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my spring/summer collection of clothing that I've recently added to my wardrobe. So before we get into this video, I want to make sure all of you guys who aren't subscribed to my channel to subscribe to my channel. That was a mouthful, but yeah, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn it gray, and make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the first piece of clothing that I'm showing you guys. I didn't just get these, but I got these a while ago, but I just recently got them hemmed so I can actually walk in them, because before they were just dragging. These are called bell-bottom pants. They kind of like flare out at the bottom. That's why they're called bell bottoms. So these just have elephants on it. Now I can actually wear these with anything I want now that I'm not tripping over the bottoms. But yeah, so this is my first piece of clothing that clothing that I'm showing you guys. So yeah, now I can actually wear these and I'm very excited. I'm gonna be wearing these a lot more. So these, wow, look how blinding these are. I just watched these and like you can like, it looks like I'm glowing in the camera. But these are my white jeans. Well, they aren't really jeans, they're jeggings. I got these from American Eagle. I just got these like maybe a month ago. So I got these for my cruise that I'm going on very soon. So guys, stay tuned for that video or that vlog of the cruise. So it's gonna be very fun. But yeah, these are my white jeggings. Yeah, they're very comfortable, very stretchy. Jeggings are like that, so that's why I got them. They did have white jeans in the store, but I decided not to get them because they had tons and tons of holes and they'd be impossible to get in because your foot just slides right through the rips. So I'm not really a big fan of rips, but if there's not too many, I will get the clothing. But I don't know, I'm not feeling it. So my next pair of clothing, these are shorts from American Eagle. I get most of like my jeans and shorts from American Eagle because their clothing are just like really nice quality. So remember when I said that I don't like rips, but I do like rips to a certain extent. Like these are not bad because there's not too many rips and my foot won't go through the rips if I try to put them on. So yeah, these are my shorts from American Eagle. You turn around, pose. So yeah, these are my shorts and I absolutely love them. So here I have another pair of light jeans from American Eagle. You can't see it, oh my god. So yeah, these are from American Eagle. They are just plain, they don't have any rips or anything. They're very comfortable, very stretchy, and they're very breathable. That's why I get most of my stuff from American Eagle, because the material is just like really nice, really soft, and really comfortable. So yeah, these are my shorts. So these shorts and my other shorts that I just showed you are coming on my cruise. I might do a what I'm bringing on my cruise with me, or like a pack with me video. So yeah. Alright, so this is my next outfit. It's a two-piece, like what is it called? It's like a two-piece paired outfit, I guess. I'm not really sure what to call it, but this is the outfit. This probably has to be my most favorite like outfits out of my whole closet, because like it's so comfortable and like you can wear it like in the spring, in the summer, and then in the fall, like at the beginning of fall, because it's still kind of warm. But I would not wear this in the wintertime because I'll be cold. But these are just leggings, and then I have the shirt to go with it. I got this from Windsor, surprisingly, because people usually go to Windsor for like dresses and stuff, but they do have really nice clothes when you go in there and actually look for the clothes. So yeah, this is this outfit. Oh, and it also has a hoodie, so that's a plus. Okay, so my next outfit is this Adidas dress. I got this from Nordstrom. It's like a half-sleeved dress, and it comes down to right above your knees. It's really comfortable. I would wear this in the spring and summer, obviously, and I wouldn't wear it in the winter because it's too cold. Like, it's too cold. So yeah, this is the dress. It's really comfortable, again, really breathable, and yeah, I really like it. I just put the shorts that I had on before back on just so I can show you guys my shirts. Oh, you can't see, it's so white you can't even see it. But this is a shirt. It's a cropped shirt from surprisingly Forever 21. I don't really shop there anymore, so I probably got this maybe like a year or two ago when I did still shop there, but I still like it. It's really comfortable, and yeah, it's good for like those hot days when you just don't want anything like on you, because that's me. When I'm hot, I don't want anything sticking to my skin. It's just like when you get your jeans wet and they're sticking to your legs. That's the worst feeling. I hate that. So yeah, this is my shirts that I wanted to show you. I don't know where I was going with that, but let's move on to the next one. Okay, so my next shirt that I want to show you guys is this striped tube top. This is actually kind of cropped, but like not too cropped to the point where your stomach is showing. But this is from American Eagle. I just got this last month along with the what's the other one? Oh, along with the white jeans that I showed you guys at the beginning. So yeah, this is the tube top. It's really comfortable. I never really used to wear tube tops, so this is like new for me, but I'm starting to like it. So yeah, this will also be coming on my cruise with me, and because it's going to be hot where I'm going, so this is a plus. I basically got these some of these items for my cruise so that I like had the appropriate clothing for it. So yeah, this is the tube top. So this is the next shirt that I want to show you guys. I do get annoyed with this shirt, surprisingly, because like the straps are like you have to, the straps, you have to like tie them in order to like get it to the way you want. But like sometimes the shirt just like rises up when you don't want it to. But I got this from American Eagle. I got this like maybe like a year or two ago. But I like it, but at the same time I don't like it. It's kind of annoying. But it's a cropped shirt. It kind of like cinches at like the waist area. And yeah, so this is a shirt. I still wear it even though it annoys me. So this is, oops, okay. Wow, the string just came to make an appearance. Hello. This is my next shirt. It is a halter top from American Eagle. This is not a crop top. I just like tucked it in. And so yeah, this is this halter top. I just got this one the same time I got my white pants and that tube top. So this is another piece that's coming with me on my cruise. Really comfortable. I like it. Showing from the shoulder. So yeah, this is my next piece that I want to show you guys. It is this really oversized sweater. Surprisingly, this is an extra small, so that's how you know it's oversized. But this is from Express. This just comes like really above the knee, but it's not like too short where you like can't really wear it out. Usually I wear this with a pair of leggings when it's cold, but I don't know if I would wear these without the leggings. I don't know. Let me guys know how you guys would wear this sweater, but I do like it. It's really comfortable, very warm. So I don't know if I would wear it with or without the leggings. So okay, so this is my second to last piece that I'm going to be showing you guys. It is this camo dress. Yeah, it is a dress. But it's a dress that comes right above the knees. I got this from Express, and this you can like customize where you want the sleeves to stop. You can be all the way down to your wrist or halfway, either or. It cuts down like deep right here. I would wear this with sandals or my Sperry's or Vans even. Just kidding, guys. I still have some other clothing to show you guys. So I just got this like maybe like 3 months ago. Like it's still new because like look, it still has a tag on, so that's how you know it's really still new. It is this romper. I really like it. I love it actually. I like how it has the little what would you call this, like ruffles? I don't even know, but like this, you can, it's not really meant to be off the shoulder, but you can make it off the shoulder if you want. Yeah, so it has like this what is it called, this band in there, so you can like either make it so it's not off the shoulder, or you can make it off the shoulder if you really wanted to. So this light is just not doing any good, so yeah, that's a little better. So this is the shirt. Not the shirt. Why am I calling it a shirt? It's a romper, guys. So yeah, this is the outfit. So this is officially my last piece I'm gonna be showing you guys. So this is from American Eagle. I just got this 1 month ago along with the rest of my stuff, like I keep saying. But this is like a jean jacket. It comes like really low. It has like this little string at the back. I'm not sure what the purpose is, but it has a hood. It has like a little bit of weight to it, so that if it's like a cold-ish day in like the spring, you can wear this and you'll be fine, and like it'll keep you warm because of the weight that it has, and it's really thick. This one you can customize where you want the sleeves to lay, like my other camo dress that I showed you guys. And yeah, so this is my last piece, you guys. Oh, and it also zippers up like that, and you can just wear it like that. So yeah, I don't know, I wouldn't wear it like this, but I would wear it open. Okay, so I just wear it open like that. So this is the last piece, you guys. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new pieces that I've added to my closet. I really do like the things that I picked out. This lighting just keeps going in and out. The sun decides that it wants to play peekaboo with me, and I'm not having it, but you know what I mean. So it's frustrating. But yeah, so that's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I know you guys are watching, but some of you guys aren't subscribed, so come and join my fan base here on YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. It might be pack with me because I'm leaving very soon for that cruise. Actually, I just finished my last final of my first year of college today, so yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.